All right, what's going on? I'm going to talk to you guys about a new cool case study. Yes, this is my calendar. I'm a very sought after dude. I am after all the ad daddy, hate me or love me. You sit there and you're like, oh, I would never hire him. He's so full of himself. My calendar says otherwise. Welcome to the fucking club. All right. So this client came to us $73 per call, $61 per call. We dropped it to 42 and even 18. You're probably wondering, well, whoa, Joe, how'd you do that? Well, we did it using a simple video, and I'll get into what that looks like. So, a lot of people stick to graphics. You know, this client was just running graphics, and I was like, dude, you can't scale this thing just running graphics. So, Daddy stepped in and said, let's do a video. So, I had my video guy fly out, and we basically just like did this video. And so having a video like this, you know, we flew in, we shot the video, it crushed. And like this is what happens when you get the right marketing team behind you. Okay. And a lot of you out there who are sitting there going, oh my God, like I've been focused on my ads for so long, yada, yada, yada. That's not the only thing that we're focusing on with this client. Okay. We're also focused on sales. We're focused on nurture. We're focused on touch points. We're focused on organic. We're focused on revamping copy. We're focused on storytelling. We're focused on taking more variance of the winner and scaling, because as we get a cheaper cost per call, we now have more calls on account. We have more qualified salespeople. Another thing that was happening inside of the business was that they had people buying the program and they needed a better salesperson to be able to teach their clients how to actually sell and close. And we were on one of my one-on-one calls, and I was like, yo, you need to find somebody that you can actually like get an ROI on to keep your revenue per employee high and sell more sales training to the people who are buying this franchise license. So they're selling it now, they're crushing it, and they're upselling sales training with this new sales coach. So now they can make his salary back. And on top of it, they can provide their clients with better fulfillment. The clients stay longer, they're more activated, more referrals, more people get into the business. And because of their, zip code orientation on how they work with dealers, no one has any competition. So everyone wins. So it's like when I go into businesses and I do CRO work and I'm doing ad work and all these things, that's why my calendar looks like this. This is next week already. These are all the business owners who are willing to take action to grow their business and not just sit there with their hands folded and be like, oh, my ads don't work. Spend money. You're broke. You might as well go broker to find the solution. Oh, well, whoa, Joe, I don't have a crazy amount of cash. Okay, go get funding. My credit sucks. Okay, you don't know how to handle your finances. You don't have common sense. Go buy a course on common sense. But whoa, Joe, all these things happen. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, deal with it. Figure it out. Like, I'm a direct marketer. I'm a direct response marketer. I'm a direct person. If you don't have what it takes to be a business owner, don't start a business. It's okay to have a job. No one's making fun of you. I'm not. I'd rather have you make 80 grand a year working for somebody else than trying to go through this whole hassle of building a business and be miserable and unhappy. It's not for everybody. So, with that being said, this is a short little video for today. Some people will like it. Some people will sit here and go, oh, like, this whole spiel, you're so young, you have all this time, you don't get it. Okay, don't have kids so young. Don't get a house so young when you can't afford it. Like, I don't get it because I'm younger. Okay, preach to the choir. You made the wrong choices, move on. You made shit decisions, learn from them. Not every L in life is a loss, it's also a lesson. Regardless of what age you're in and regardless of what you're doing in your business, You have choices, and those choices have consequences. So regardless of what happened in your life, that's your fault, not mine, because I'm out here grinding. I don't need to have a calendar like this. I got a huge pipeline of clients who already do DFY with. Why am I doing more one-on-one? Because I'm looking to spread more impact. I'm looking to get in more people's faces and say, hey, listen, like, this is why your shit's not working and you need to fix your business. Because most people just focus on ads. And that's why I always talk about in my own ads, offers, landing pages, KPIs, creatives, omnipresence, data. Most of you say, I have a business, I don't want to spend money, but I want to spend as little amount as possible and get as much results as possible. Basically, wine taste, beer wallet, and that's why you're all going to get ran over during the election. So, with that being said, more money for us, the action takers, less money for you, and the world goes round. Now, if you don't excuse me, I got to get back to all these calls that I have for the next 2 days because Ad Daddy is in demand. Woo!